Get excited about the 2019 Volvo XC90. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as cruise control, a tachometer, an outside temperature display, a headlight cleaning system, heated door mirrors, lane departure warning, rear wipers, and seat memory. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Volvo ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive technology maintains a firm grip on the road. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.